Myself is Preeti Gupta, multi-cloud security architect cum advisor with 20 years of experience in threat management, compliance, and cost reduction with a significant project win. Let us understand how we can secure the cloud posture and manage the risk effectively. First of all, let us understand what is the problem business owners face due to the poor cloud security posture management. First is the increased risk of breaches, second, higher operational cost, third, the compliance gap. Increased risk of breaches causes a financial loss and reputation damage. Costly downtime and loss of revenue causes a higher operational cost. Compliance gap leads to the penalties, fines, and legal challenges. Now, why these problems arise due to the poor cloud security posture management? The lack of continuous monitoring causes the vulnerability unnoticed and increase the security risk. Inadequate policy enforcement lead to the poor compliance and higher exposure to the cyber threats. Manual processes are error-prone and insignificant, lead to the missed vulnerabilities and increase the cost. So now let us understand what is a cloud security posture management. Cloud security posture management is a framework that identifies and addresses the security risk and misconfigurations. The purpose is to continuously monitor the cloud environment for compliance, automates the policy enforcement, and prevents the security gap. Now, why it is needed? With the growing complexities of the multi-cloud environment, cloud security posture management helps organizations manage the security challenges effectively and at scale. The benefits of cloud security posture management is a real-time monitoring that provides real-time insights into the security posture, identifying the vulnerabilities and preventing the security breaches before they occur. It automates the compliance standards like CIS benchmark, PCI, ISO by automating the policy enforcement across the cloud environments. It reduces the cost by preventing the security breaches and minimizing the need of manual security checks through the automation. The challenges faced by the cloud security management is a complexity in deployment across the multi-cloud environments because it requires a specialized skills and integration. Another challenge is the initial cost, especially for the smaller organization, though it is payoff in a long run. Then the learning curve is another challenge which by adapting to the new tools and automated processes require a training and support. Now, how we can save the cost using the cloud security posture management tools? By these tools prevent the security breaches and address and detect the vulnerability before they can be exploited. It automates the compliance and eliminate the need for a costly manual reviews. The price of cloud security posture management depends on the usage of different clouds like AWS, Azure, GCP. The best practices for cloud security posture management is implementing the cloud security posture management in a design phase so that it can identify and address the potential risk early in the design phase that helps reduce the vulnerability and saves the remediation cost later. It assures that the compliance is maintained throughout the lifecycle of the cloud environment by enforcing the policies from the start.